How to fix Destiny error code OKRA. To fix Destiny error code OKRA, try these steps. 1. Check your internet connection on your PC/console, PS5/4, Xbox, etc. Ensure you have a good one. If not, Google some tips re-improve or fix a slow web connection. For starters, go to https://help.bungie.net/hc/article/36004949653 for more info re-network troubleshooting. 2. Go to Bungie's site and see if there was any server testing or maintenance. Follow at Bungie Help at https://twitter.com/BungieHelp for updates.